Hello.
Hello, my name is Angela and I'm an iOS and watchOS programmer.
My name is Philip and I'm an Android developer.
And we're here because we want to create the best online programming course.
It's true, learning to program is hard. When we first started many years ago, we had to struggle through incomprehensible books that were filled with jargon and tutorials that were boring and didn't lead anywhere other than calculating odd and even numbers.
And that's why we created a course with clear explanations that anybody can understand, even if you have no coding experience. You'll learn core programming concepts while making fun and useful apps like WhatsApp and Yahoo Weather.
The London App Brewery first started when we were teaching our friends how to code over a beer.
Since then, we've gone on to teach over 4,000 students, including employees from Google, LinkedIn, and founders of startups.
We've had students fly from Africa and Europe to learn from us in our London classroom. We've developed a course that takes you from zero to programming over 10 apps and running them on your phone.
But we realized that being a great app developer is more than just about programming. That's why we'll also equip you with design skills that'll get you making beautiful apps, as well as marketing skills that'll get you downloads on the app stores.
So you can take that app idea and become an app entrepreneur.
So what will you be learning on this course? You will be coding up and building over 10 popular apps from the App Store. To guide you along your journey, the course includes many hours of video content complete with clear explanations and beautiful animations. That way you'll understand exactly what it is you're doing as you're programming your own apps and following along with the tutorials. You'll be programming all the Android apps natively in Java using Android Studio. And after you've built each app, we'll show you how you can run it on your own Android phone or tablet. And if you don't have a physical Android device handy, fear not. You can always run the apps on a virtual device like the Android emulator. The piece of software that we'll be using to build all the apps is called Android Studio. Android Studio has been developed by Google and it's free to download and install. And that means you'll be using the same development environment that's used by professional Android developers every day to design and program Android apps, as well as to get apps ready to be published on the Google Play Store. Now, I've done plenty of talking, but we believe in learning by doing. In the next videos, I'll show you how to get your machine configured to get set up with Android Studio. I'll see you there.